Good morning. I know I did a live video and I deleted it because then I reminded myself, hey, I should talk about the Show Us Your Talent. The first thing I wanted to remind you about is our Zoom meeting. I just sent out an email with all the information in it and I sent it over Facebook. It's pajamas and snacks. You bring the snacks. I'm going to wear my pajamas. The next thing I wanted to remind you about is if you haven't done this, you need to pick up your kids' belongings. Today, you still have time, 8 to 3, and tomorrow from 2 to 6. Let me just throw out again that Miss Lyle, Miss Price, and I will be at the school tomorrow from 4 to 6. Passing out the kids' belongings. Now, I think Miss Lyle's there at some point today, too. But the three of us will be there socially distancing ourselves with masks, passing out the kids' belongings. Someone asked me this morning that if you came tomorrow night from 4 to 6, if you would be able to see me. Of course. They do have 2 of us outside, 2 of us inside. However, the 2 of us who are inside have to come outside to bring the belongings out. So yes, you will see me. If that wasn't the case, I would still come out and say hi and tell you that I hope you have a good summer. So that's number 1. Make sure you pick your belongings up. If you are somebody, this is very important. If you are somebody who signed a contract with a Chromebook, you need to return it to the school when you come to pick up your belongings. If you do not have it with you, you signed the contract, they have the ability to charge you, I think it's $321 for the Chromebook. So make sure you bring those with you, please. So first things first, Zoom tonight, 6:30, all of 2nd grade, pajamas and snacks. I'm wearing the pajamas, you guys bring the snacks. Okay, maybe it was funnier to me. Second thing, don't forget to pick up your belongings. The only real time is 4 to 6 tomorrow, right? So you can see yours truly. Anytime today, 8 to 3, anytime tomorrow, 2 to 6. The next thing that I wanted to talk about, and I put up on the Facebook page, sent it out in email, and I think I sent it out through Remind. However, it wasn't until after I did all 3 of those that it came to my attention that you cannot open the document. What happens is teachers will create these documents, and what we've been doing is we'll publish them to the web. But since I didn't make the document, I can't publish this to the web so that you can all see it. So I tried to take a screenshot of it and put it up on Facebook so that you guys could see it. This is our every end of the year or before, this week, we usually do the award ceremonies and we do a talent ed. Not a talent ed, what in the world? Talent ed's the program we used to do testing, sorry. And we do a talent show. So this year, to kind of keep that into what we've been doing in the years past, Mrs. Metter has put together a star search. And the date was supposed to be May 22nd, but I don't think she got enough interest or what is it called? Submissions. So she put it out to June 8th. So what you can do is go to the music website, which she has a link for. You gotta send the videos in by June 8th, and it cannot be longer than 3 minutes. You can sing, dance, play a song, draw a picture, juggle, do a short cooking lesson, or show us your pet doing special tricks. Anything that you find as a talent to yourself or that you can do. Send the videos to Miss Metter. Her email address is right there. Make sure you put your name and what you will be doing. Make sure you have permission from your parents. That's something that the school puts in the student handbook. Like, you have to have permission from your parents to submit videos or pictures of yourselves. So again, do any sort of talent that you have. You could be riding your bike with no hands. It could be riding your bike. It could be skipping. It could be anything that you find as a special talent for yourself. Videotape it or video record it and send it to Miss Metter. There's her email address right there. And by June 8th. I think you still have a couple weeks. If you're a good singer, if you play a guitar, again, anything that you find that is a talent, you could juggle. Maybe you can eat or fit 25 marshmallows in your mouth. I'm not telling you to do that because that's dangerous, but maybe that's something that you find is a talent. Just video record it, have your parents do that, and then send it to that email address right here. Okay? That's all I have for you. I hope to see you all at our Zoom meeting this evening. I know only one of you came last week, and it was kind of sad for me because, I was happy to see all the other second graders, but at the same time, I like seeing you guys too. So it's the same information. I posted it on Facebook. It's the same information as it has been. It's just a different day. Wear your pajamas, bring a snack so you can have some fun with your friends. Have a good day.